Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving deep into the YUNZII RT80, a rapid trigger, Hall-effect magnetic gaming keyboard that's been making waves. This keyboard boasts an impressive array of features, from its 8K polling rate to its customizable actuation points, all packed into a compact 75% layout. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. First impressions are solid. The RT80 feels well built, especially considering its price point. The black colorway gives it a sleek, understated look that should fit well on any desk. The 75% layout is a great compromise, offering a near full-size experience while saving valuable desk space. It retains the function row and arrow keys, which are essential for many users, but eliminates the numpad. Connectivity is versatile. The RT80 supports Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz wireless, and a wired Type-C connection. This makes it easy to switch between devices, whether you're gaming on your PC, typing on your laptop, or even using it with your smartphone. The wireless performance is excellent, with no noticeable lag or latency during gaming sessions. The 8K polling rate ensures that every keystroke is registered with incredible speed and accuracy. The star of the show is undoubtedly the Hall effect magnetic switches. These switches use magnets to detect keystrokes, offering a smoother, more consistent feel than traditional mechanical switches. The adjustable actuation points are a game changer, allowing you to customize the sensitivity of each key to your liking. Whether you prefer a light, hair trigger response for gaming or a more deliberate feel for typing, the RT80 has you covered. The Gatron white switches provide a linear feel with a smooth travel and consistent weighting. They are pre-lubed, which enhances the smoothness and reduces any scratchiness. The hot swappable design is another plus, allowing you to easily replace the switches with your preferred ones without soldering. This adds to the keyboard's longevity and customizability. The RGB backlighting is vibrant and customizable, with a wide range of effects and colors to choose from. You can control the lighting through the YUNZII software, which is user-friendly and intuitive. The software also allows you to remap keys, create macros, and adjust other settings. The RT80 is compatible with both Windows and Mac, making it a great choice for users of either operating system. It's suitable for a wide range of uses, from gaming and video editing to everyday use and business applications. The keyboard's responsiveness and customizability make it a valuable tool for any task. However, there are a few minor drawbacks. The keycaps are made of ABS plastic, which is less durable and can become shiny over time. PBT keycaps would have been a welcome addition. Also, while the YUNZII software is functional, it could benefit from a more modern and polished interface. Overall, the YUNZII RT80 is an outstanding keyboard that offers exceptional value for its price. Its rapid trigger Hall effect switches, 8K polling rate, versatile connectivity, and customizable RGB lighting make it a top contender in the gaming keyboard market. While it's not perfect, its strengths far outweigh its weaknesses. If you're looking for a high-performance keyboard that won't break the bank, the YUNZII RT80 is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.